Good day everyone. So today nandito tayo sa Belcourt Santa Rosa para i-visit yung single attached unit nila na deluxe model wherein ang picture niya is having 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and it has lot area of 100 pero yung available natin is 116 lot area, then floor area of 72 square meter. So tara po, silipin natin. Ito po yung ating single attached model na deluxe model. Again, ang lot area po nito is 100, but ang available unit po natin is 116. So, eto po. So, ayan po yung pasad natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, sa ibabaw, so ayan po yung design natin. Then, we have color of beige. Then, kung mapapansin nyo po doon, so meron na siyang ilaw. So may wall light na siya, included na siya. Then we have small balcony dito sa second floor. Access to our master's bedroom. So on this side naman, so before we enter po sa loob, so dito man tayo sa labas. So on this side sa harapan, so we have space here. So pwede mo siyang gamitin kung if you have visitors, you can put table and chairs para at least kung ayaw mo kung gusto niyo sa labas, so much better. Then on this side, so this will serve as your carport. So definitely, hanggang dun po yan, hanggang dun po yung property line natin, dun sa wall nung kabilang unit, hanggang dito po. So mahaba po yung ating carport. So probably pwede siguro mga 2 carports kung di mo gagamitin yung part na yon for your expansion of your unit. So, tara, silipin po muna natin dito. So, however, kung sakaling gusto mong i-maximize yung space para mas lumaki yung floor area mo, pwede rin naman po. 'Di ba? So, kung gusto mo ilabas yung dirty kitchen o maglagay ng dirty kitchen, but meron na tayo ditong laundry area. So, ito po yung ating laundry area. So, ayan. So, naka-tiles na siya. So, meron tayo ditong outdoor outlet. So para pag salpak natin sa washing machine, then we have our faucet, then we have our drain. Okay? So tara po, pasok po tayo. So in front, ayan. So we have our sliding window na color white. Then we have a modern wood door. So, very elegant siyang tingnan kasi nag-complement siya with the color of our unit. So, tara, pasok po tayo. So, upon entering, so bubungad sa atin yan. Modern na siya. So, white. Tapos, eto, we have 60 by 60 na ceramic tiles. So, on this part, so this will be our area for living area wherein pwede kayong maglagay ng sofa nyo na mag-aakma or magmamatch dito sa space na to. So that's a good space wherein pwede kayong mag-bonding with your family. And kung mapapansin nyo, marami tayong outlet dito. Then yung naka-close, alam ko it's for cable and internet connection. So para ipa-plug na lang siya. Then dito naman, so, sa part na to, so pwede ka maglagay ng dining table mo. Since, yun nga, open naman siya, so you can arrange your ground floor according to your needs. Diba? So, on this side, so we have our kitchen. So, on our kitchen, we have here outlet again. Then, on this side, so dito probably is your refrigerator. Then dito kung mag-iinit ka ng tubig, so pwede, or kung meron kang electric stove or yung modern ngayon, I forgot the name. So pwede nyo siyang, you can comment kung anong tawag doon sa electric ngayon na hindi nakakapaso. So yun, nakalimutan natin. Then dito we have base cabinet. So, meron na tayo dyan. Ayan. So, hindi pa to 100% na tapos. Pero still, ayan, makikita na natin yung kung ano ba yung kakalabasan. Then dito, we have our slab granite as on your kitchen. Then we have sink, stainless sink. Meron tayo dito. Then lalagyan pa nila ng faucet yan. Then on this side, meron tayong window. So, good thing dito, kung magluluto kasi, kung di mo pa siya ginagamit. So, ayan. So, magpa-pass and go lang yung amoy. Then, at the same time, it will serve kung binuksan mo siya as ventilation para yung natural air natin or wind. So, papasok siya. At the same time, syempre, yung light. So, on this side, ating sliding door, access natin dito sa laundry area natin. Then at the same time, so pwede mo rin siyang i-maximize. So kung gusto mo dito, so pwede mong gawing tambayan ng family or receiving ng mga friends and family niyo po or relatives. And you can put siguro a table and chair. So napakaluwag po niyan. Okay? So tara, balik po tayo sa loob. Then dito naman, so ito yung ating first toilet and bath. So we have here our toilet. Then dito naman ito yung ating lavatory. Then on this side naman, ito po yung ating shower area. So good thing dito, naka-tiles na siya from flooring up to the ceiling. Then pati yung ating flooring is naka-tiles na. So wala na tayong problema. Gamit na lang po natin ang ating ipapasok dito and syempre yung family natin. So ayan. So dito, you can still maximize the space. So, pwede mong palagyan ng cabinet or kung wala kang space na if you are work from home, so good thing. So, you can maximize that space. Pwede ka dyan maglagay ng computer set mo. Okay? So, we're done on the first floor and I hope nagustuhan po nila. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to go upstairs so that you can see kung ano ba yung makikita natin. But definitely, you can see 3 bedrooms dun sa ating second floor. Okay? So, tara, akit po tayo. So, dito sa stairs natin, we have wood planks sa bawat steps. So, naka-cover lang kasi since na-barnisan na siya or nalagyan ng color. So, eto na po yung magiging color niya. So, dito sa handrails natin, yung ibabaw is made of wood, then metal po yung sa baba natin. O tara, akit po tayo. Then dito, ito yung ating first bedroom. So ideal siya for our kids. So we have our sliding window. Ayan. Hindi lang natin mabuksan, no? Ay, nakalak pala dito. So, yun. So, ayan. So, we have sliding window on the first bedroom natin. Then, may provision na rin po tayo on our AC. Then, sasalpak na lang din. So, ayan po. Then, dito we also have common toilet and bath natin. So, tara, pasok po muna tayo before we proceed on the second bedroom. So, ayan po. So, on this side, we have our lavatory. We also have our window here. Then, dito, ito yung ating shower area. So, nakaabang na rin siya kung maglalagay ka ng heater. So, meron na rin siya. So, ito, may abang na rin siya dito. Then, kung mapapansin nyo, magkatabi yung lavatory and yung shower area. So, ang gagawin mo na lang is, pwede mo na lang siya lagyan ng enclosure since eto naka-down yung tile. So, ibig sabihin, so pwede mo siyang i-enclose diyan. Ayan. Then on this side, ito yung ating toilet. Then complete na rin siya. Naka-tiles yung walls, naka-tiles yung flooring. So, tara po. So, we have our second bedroom. So, same thing, we have sliding window. Then, we have our provision for the aircon. So, ayan po. Ayan. So, by the way guys, naka-tiles rin pala tayo dito. Yung ating second floor. Then, let's proceed with master's bedroom. So, on the master's bedroom, ayan, ito po yung ating master's bedroom. So, on this side, marirecommend po natin siguro is, yun, kung gusto mong dito ka mag-place ng work mo. So, ayan, may outlet tayo dyan. So, pwede ka maglagay ng, kung work from home ka, so, yung computer set mo. Or, pwede rin naman is yung built-in cabinet mo. Yan. So, on this side, so, pwede rin tayo dito na ilagay yung ating queen size na bed. Ayan. So, nasa sa inyo na po kung paano nyo siya isa-set up pagka lumipat na po sila sa unit na to. Okay, then we have our window here. Then we have provision for the air condition. Then, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina at the beginning of the house tour is, meron tayo dito sliding door na access natin dito sa ating balcony. Ayan. So, ayan. So, pwede tayong magstay dito. Ayan, may access tayo dito. Ayan. So, makikita natin yung mga kapitbahay natin. So, ayan po. So, yun lang po. I hope nagustuhan po nila tong ating deluxe model with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath dito sa The Belcourt Santa Rosa. This is very accessible. And remind lang po guys na iisang unit na lang yung single attached natin. So, if you're really interested, kindly message me on my Viber WhatsApp with the number of 0956-618-6967. Or you can also message me on our FB page, Bahay for One. This is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye!